Welcome to the SwiftCalcs lesson on interacting with worksheets. In this lesson, we will learn how to work with worksheets inside SwiftCalcs, including working with the toolbox, interacting with the toolbar, and moving and organizing items and elements. In SwiftCalcs, a worksheet is a collection of items organized into lines, which are numbered in the left-hand margin. Each line in a worksheet is an independent item that performs a specific task, calculated from the top down. The most common item is the math entry mode. Other items include text mode, plots, and solvers. All of these items are covered in later lessons. When a worksheet is loaded, the left side of the page will load the toolbox. The toolbox is a collection of items organized by topic that can be utilized in a worksheet. To use an item, you can click, drag, and drop it onto your worksheet, or simply click an item to add it to the current cursor location. All items in the toolbox also have keyboard shortcuts, a listing of which can be found in the SwiftCalcs help area. Most toolbox items, when added to your worksheet, will also have a small help icon visible when you hover your mouse over the item, providing quick tips for use. When you place your cursor on a new line in a worksheet, you are by default put into math mode. In math mode, you can directly enter mathematical expressions, formulas, and variables, and we cover this in more detail in the next lesson. Items in a worksheet can be selected by clicking and dragging on the worksheet, and selected items can be moved by clicking the selection and dragging up or down the worksheet. Clicking in the left-hand margin and dragging allows for the quick rearranging of single lines. The worksheet will automatically recalculate whenever an item is changed or the ordering is updated. Note that calculations are performed from the top of the worksheet downwards. This means that variables and functions must be defined before or above you use them later in the worksheet. When lines of a worksheet are selected, cut, copy, and paste options are available in the Edit menu, or through standard keyboard shortcuts. If you want to undo or redo anything, that functionality is provided in the drop-down menu as well, or again through keyboard shortcuts. Now that you're familiar with the worksheet window, join us in the next lesson, where we will introduce entering basic mathematical expressions in math mode.